Welcome to the Afro Hair Science YouTube channel. It's me, your homegirl Adosha, right? This is our quick watch this video. In this episode, we're going to talk about why should you be using oil sheen. A lot of people are perplexed about still using oil sheen. All right, so now we have your hair. This is how it normally looks, right? So from now on, remember now the hair is going to be straight. So when you go home at night, you want to use just a little cheap oil sheen. Can you close that door, please? So any oil sheen will do. It doesn't matter. Yeah, we have it here, okay? So we're going to spray some oil sheen. Now when you spray your oil sheen, you don't want to do this, right? You have a lot of hair. So you're going to have to section this hair, and you're going to have to get to that scalp. Not a whole lot. Just go back and forth, all right?
Every day?
Yeah, every day till it's colder. You'll know it because it won't swell back up. Get to the ends, right? Next, you want to comb the hair. Do not use any brush. No. This ain't got nothing to do with our hair, okay? No brushing. You're going to start off with the long tooth afro comb. Afro hair, comb the hair from the scalp. Combing the hair is going to redistribute all that oil. And when we say redistribute, what we mean is it's going to take the oil from your regrowth and take it all the way down to the ends. When you use a brush, it's going to pack it. It won't distribute it because we have texture. If it's straight hair, that's another conversation. But remember, afro hair. So comb it through with your afro hair comb, right? All right, don't forget the kitchen. Anytime you catch a kink or a nap or whatever you want to call it, just spray it with the oil sheen. And that'll lay the cuticle flat. And when you go to comb it, check that out. Oh, see? No hurting. It's just going to come right through, right? Now you got to get it smooth. So now you're going to come through with your English comb or your all-purpose comb. I'm going to give this to you. Because now you got to get it smooth, right? Comb the hair nice and smooth. And again, you're going to bring that oil all the way down. You don't want to do this. No. All the way to the end. Collect it, and the ponytail's got to be nice and neat. Right? Get it nice and neat. And you can flip the comb to the tighter, smaller teeth, and that'll get it what? Even smoother. You see how it's looking smooth now? Look at that. Okay, now mind you, if this was flat iron, it would be even straighter. But this is just to show you. All right, and all this hair, you want it out. This is what scares people. That hair has lived its life. Let it go. Kind of look at it like mucus. Like you're blowing your nose, you know, just get rid of it, okay? And you blow your nose until it's what? Nice and clean. Same thing with the hair. Once it's all, now this is what we call comb out. When we was a kid, your mama would say what? Comb your hair out. That's what she meant, all right? Now you're gonna take your ponytail holder. It could be a rubber band, but people hate rubber bands now. Okay, but if you can use a cloth one, and you're gonna get that ponytail secured. It could be high, low, it don't matter. And the ponytail has to be secure. It can't be like that. No, keep going till you cannot get it around there. One more again, you see it now? Yeah, because this afro hair, if you don't get it secure, what's it gonna do? It's just gonna poof right back up because you want it to stay put. Now you take your comb again and do what? Have it nice and smooth.